What's going on, man? It's your boy Jay Gutta, man, right here with my boy Dr. G. He just got me adjusted at Whole Health Partners. You know, health is wealth. Come see him. Come get adjusted. Get your body right. Get your mind right. Let's go.
Hey everybody, it's Dr. G, another video. Got Jay Gutta man with us.
Let's go.
We're gonna do some work on him, help him out, get him back to working out great.
Let's do this.
And you said you feel it more in the front, yeah?
Yeah, pretty much.
Down through here? Okay, so. You tell me if it's too much, we can kind of back off.
All right, whoa. All right.
You feel okay?
Yeah, that was intense.
See, it'll cause all the contractions there, man. You can probably get a good shot of that too, man.
That feels crazy.
Yeah, it'll feel different afterwards too.
I've never felt that.
Yeah, man. So this is actually, it's a type of electrical stimulus, but it's called PEMF, pulse electromagnetic frequency. So it's a different type of like wavelength, but it's extremely therapeutic. And it's just, but it does stimulate the nerves, and that's why you'll get the muscle contractions. Like if we go here, like your bicep will contract.
Whoa.
Like that too. Yeah. Here, man, just to show you here, I'll show you this. You'll get like everything through the hands and everything.
Damn.
But yeah. But nah, it works. Is that too high or is that all right?
It's like right there.
Okay. Man, so what are you working on right now?
I'm working on some Spanish music, man.
I saw that, man. That's just pretty cool, man.
Yeah, I'm working on that. So I need to jump in that little lane. Other than that, man, I might be working on some merch, working on a little documentary, you know. Man, the hustle's unlimited, bro. I'm trying to do everything, really.
Yeah, man. With the internet, man.
Yeah, there's like
just out there, man.
Yeah, a lot of opportunity out there. A lot of money to be made.
That's true, man.
That was really different.
Yeah. Man, there's so much that we do. Usually the initial consult's $57, right?
Mm-hmm.
And it just really depends. Every treatment plan is just
and what do you get with
individualized. So that's the exam, the consult, and then an adjustment with that first visit. Yeah.
Okay.
But there's so many. I mean, we do spinal decompression. This is a certain type of therapy we do. We got shockwave therapy. There's a lot of different rehab that we do. So everything is more custom to each individual patient. So the prices is kind of just different.
Insanely vary, yeah. Okay.
Yeah.
Yeah, I usually get like massages like once a week, just because like I like really like push my body to like the max, you know. So
yeah,
I'm always like getting massages and shit, and like they have to like be like that acupuncture type of massage.
Like deep tissue.
Yeah, it has to be. Like they have to use their elbows. That's the only way. Like I'm gonna pay for the massage.
Yeah.
You
Like
know
it
what I mean?
feels like it's
No, I'm
worth
serious.
it, right? Like you want to be tortured.
Not that necessarily, but like at least like medium strong, you know.
Yeah. I got you, man. Cool. All right. So I'm gonna do. Yeah. You can get up and move it around.
All right.
So I'm gonna use this bar. It's a heavy weight, so it's gonna be just pushed in there like that. But what I want you to do is you're gonna bring. When I do it, you're gonna do almost like a bench press. So you're gonna bring it down, and then push up, right here. Let me come right here. And then you tell me if it's too much, but bring it down, push up. Good. Okay, go back down. Good right there. Push up, and you again, like I said, tell me if it's too much.
Okay.
Right
No, it's cool.
Do about like 3 more. Right here. Let's do a few stretches on the subscap, which. Feel it clicking?
Yeah. What does that mean?
That's just the tendon is so tight. The muscle's so tight. The tendon's like almost like a guitar string, just rubbing across the bone right there.
Oh, really?
On the shoulder blade, yeah.
That's not good, right?
Yeah. Nah. This is a hard muscle to stretch, though, man.
Just put my arms down or put
Just
them
relax,
like
yeah, just like that. And so it's 44 pounds. Should be alright, but if it's too much, you just tell me.
That feels good.
Yeah, no, I mean, you use the foam roller much?
No, I don't use the foam roller. I need to though.
Yeah, it'd be good.
That's why kind of why I go to the massage. I kind of I guess is the substitute that I use.
Yeah.
But that would work though.
Yep, definitely, man. You said you stretch a lot, right?
Yeah, I have to. I can't work out if I don't stretch. I don't know how to explain it, cause I feel so like tight when I walk in.
Yeah.
After I stretch, it's like that's like kind of a workout myself.
Yeah, no, that's good. You spend a lot of time on it, yeah?
Yeah, like 15 minutes minimum.
That's good. Not many people do that.
Yeah. Yeah, I noticed. Everyone looks at me crazy, bro, when I'm stretching.
But it helps you remain injury free, though, right? For the most part. A little pressure, there's gonna be a pop, right?
Okay.
Good. Good.
He has some good reactions.
Alright, so there's gonna be a little pop here, alright?
Yeah.
Just relax. Good. Yeah, go ahead and flip over on your back. Yeah, his is
What's the average like duration?
usually like probably 7-8 minutes,
About
you
5
think?
7 minutes.
Yeah,
Oh, okay.
nothing crazy. Okay, we're gonna bend the knee here. And just relax. Bend this one up right there. Hold that shoulder back. Okay, lay on your back, face up. Oh, I like the Minion socks, man. Come on up, man. So just relax right here. Give me a pop right there.
Whoa.
Crazy, man.
Whoa.
Man.
Whoa.
You feel good?
Yeah, my soul left my body and then she just came back.
It's coming back, man. Go ahead and
Yeah.
stand up. Move the shoulder. Let's see how it feels.
Feels good. Feels good.
Yeah. Okay. Cool, man.